Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the widget class and declaring it so Android knows it exists. Once done, add an app widget provider subclass to handle updates. This is where you write on update and on receive. Make sure to create a widgetinfo XML in res/XML describing min width, min height, preview, and update period millis so the system lays out the widget correctly. You do this now because it defines lifecycle and permissions. Without it, the host launcher won't offer your widget. You build the widget UI with a lightweight layout and then bind it via remote views. This is necessary since widgets run in the launcher process. Once done, inflate the layout and on update, set text/images, and attach pending intent templates for click actions so your app responds. Make sure to provide resize handling and alternate layouts for different grid sizes because this prevents clipping and improves user experience. You should also minimize work in the provider to avoid hogging resources. You finalize behavior by wiring update logic. Either use update period millis for simple refresh or schedule work manager for precise control and battery-aware updates. Once done, implement on enabled and on disabled to allocate or release resources and handle action appwidget update to accept manual triggers. Make sure to test across emulators and real devices and verify permissions for background work. Troubleshooting tip: if the widget won't appear, check
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.